Hi everybody, how are you doing today? Good, I hope. My name's Heather, I work for Leisure Pools and we supply fiberglass swimming pools. So there's 3 topics I'm going to be discussing today. What does it look like when choosing a pool design for your backyard and your family's needs? How long does the pool installation take? And what is the average budget for a swimming pool? So when looking at a pool for your family, you want to ask who's going to be using it. Is it just you and your wife or partner? Is it you and your kids, friends, family? So for me, I like a splash pad. I don't plan on swimming in the pool. I don't really plan on doing anything except laying there and having a couple drinks. It's also good for little kids if they want to sit there and play with them or lay in a lounger. Sometimes people want a hot tub. Do they have space in their pool to add a hot tub there, or do they have space in their yard to add an above ground hot tub? Again, making a hot tub inside a pool is basically getting it for free. You don't have to pay anything extra to do a hot tub attached or inside the pool. Another thing is to consider is, do you like to do laps? So some clients will come to me and say, I don't want to do anything in the pool but swim back and forth. And then you don't want to have a splash pad or hot tub in your pool, so you allocate what's called a free swim lane, basically. The pool placement in the swimming pool would be ideally positioned in a spot that offers privacy and shelter from the wind, and some people enjoy the splash pad in your sun. So thinking about where you want to put your pool in your backyard and what restrictions you are regarding the city will come down to what shape you might choose, curvy or rectangular, on your personal opinion and style, and what size we can do. Sometimes you can only do a 12 by 26 or even go smaller than that, especially in our Toronto properties that don't have the large backyards. The biggest fiberglass pool you can do is 40 feet by 15.5 feet and 8 feet deep.